Hi, today we got something very Sri Lankan, which is mainly used in breakfast time, chickpeas. Chickpea with chili and coconut. So let's go through the ingredients. I've got nice chickpea here, already been boiled. If you can see, they're still steaming. And coconut oil, curry leaves, pandan leaves, lemon, and then I've got coconut, which is already dried. We cannot buy here fresh one, so you can buy in the shop. Coconut, onion, dry chilies, and mustard. Let's go and start cooking. So my pan is getting hot. What we do is we're going to add some coconut oil. I love coconut oil in this type of food because it brings you the beautiful flavors that we used to when we were kids. Okay, my oil is now hot. Okay, burn. I'm going to put mustard in. You can hear the noise. That's splitting the mustard. That's the time that you can add the onion. Okay, while we are waiting this golden brown, it's now time to add our other ingredients, which is chili pieces. You can add chili whatever you want, as much as you want, depending on your taste. And the curry leaves. And couple of pandan leaves, not too many. Some people might say that you don't put pandan leaves, but I like with the pandan leaves. That beautiful extra flavor coming through these other ingredients. So look at that. Chili. One more thing I like to add is the coconut. The coconut, usually you add it last, but because these are dry coconut, I'm going to add them now. So it will bring that beautiful flavor through to it. Need to be nice chunky pieces, so like that. With the moisture from onion and a bit of oil, this coconut will get nice soft, not too crunchy because it's been dried up. Okay, it's now all the onions and everything golden brown. It's time to add our main ingredients, which is chickpeas. There you go. So we keep this chickpea few minutes until it gets nicely tempered. In this pan, you can smell the beautiful flavors of these spices. Well, now I can smell all the spices through, and it's up and send it to the table. Well, like I said, it is very traditional Sri Lankan, and also it's beautiful taste. I can smell all the flavors, chili, mustard, and coconut oil. So that's all for the day, and we'll see you again with a new recipe next week. Bye for now.
Culinary Corner, brought to you by Dilmah Tea, the finest on earth.
I am a farmer, and unlike a trader, I grow tea. I promise to bring you the perfect cup of pure Ceylon tea, so you can enjoy real tea the way it used to be. Return to real tea with Dilmah.
Rainbow